So we're back on our series of questions and answers. Do send me your questions in. I will get them answered for you. Comments below. Okay, this is from, I like your name, Fun, F-U-N. So Fun is asking if I want more hair to grow, if I want more hair to come out of my scalp, should I do root work or thickening? So I would do both. So 1 month do root work, the next month do thickening. Yeah, you need to scalp, get blood and air circulating. You need to do the brushing for the elixirs. You're getting your sebum natural elixir, oil, all the way down to the hairline, then front again. Please watch our videos. We have so much education going on. I have genetic baldness, and I use minoxidil, which has produced results for me. But I don't want to use it for the rest of my life. Thank God. You don't want to use it at all. Are there, and what are the best natural alternatives? Going back to the 80s, 90s, and 2000s, everyone I worked with using minoxidil, whatever grew, fell out. Because they're not anything to do with strengthening the roots. They're just shocking to produce more hair. The roots are being compromised. So minoxidil is a chemical, one of the worst chemicals I've ever worked with. Deadly ingredients. I strongly suggest no one does minoxidil or Rogaine. Same thing, same companies with different names. When you put any type of chemical in your body, the body has to figure out what's going on, has to do a lot of extra work, which is not necessary. So we're compromising our immune systems. What are the most best natural alternatives? Well, you know what I'm going to say. Morrocco Method itself and everything on our company is 100% natural. Not 99, 100% natural. All of our shampoos, conditioners, styling products, coloring products, children, pets. Plus, we have scalp massagers, brushing techniques. We have every answer to anything to do with hair and scalp. Please go to our website. All your alternatives are there. Okay, so here we have a question from Mary Jane. On my front hairline, there are very small hairs where I have lost hair. Would the scalp massager tear these hairs out? It's the only scalp massager on planet Earth that's natural. Everything else is latex, plastic, very, very irritating. And if you're getting new hairs coming up, that's excellent. Just put your scalp massager and just gently massage. Place it there, massage, pick it up, move it to another area, massage gently. What that's doing is strengthening your root system. The whole root system is getting blood and air, and it's actually exercising, like if you went to the gym and lifted weights. And no, you're not going to pull out the new hairs. That's not going to happen. No, don't wait until it fully grows in. Start right now. Okay, so we have another question coming in from Gloria. Is Morrocco Method henna mostly covering grays? Not mostly, it covers it. Or reducing red tones. First of all, that you have red highlights in your natural hair. You can cut them down by checking out the different shades of hair color. So you have to really basically look at our videos, get educated. And so red tones, if you don't want them, they're the most difficult to get rid of. Henna will produce red tones over red-based hair color. Fool around with the formula. Like if this time it's a little bit too red, take the whatever color you're using, go a little darker, go a little lighter, and you'll adjust the red tones. Henna is the only natural way to cover gray, and it will guarantee cover gray and white hair. Now we have a question from Gloria, another Gloria. Curl Power, specifically, what does it do for curls? So Curl Power has taken me years to actually formulate. It's the only 100% natural hair relaxer. No matter how tight the hair is or how medium the hair is tight, it'll relax it. Again, read your ingredients. Don't use anything with very strong chemicals. I hear a lot of women say, oh yeah, I color my hair, but it's just on my hair. You know, I'm not drinking it or putting it in my body. You are. 70% of whatever we put on our skin is absorbed into the body. It's going down into the bloodstream, entering all the organs in our body. Please send me any questions you have. I would love to answer them. Let's be healthy, happy, and strong. Our health is our wealth.